Hi, welcome back. Right, so we're here again on the Matic chart, and what we're looking at now is some consolidation. Unfortunately, we looked as though we were going to make a bullish move, got a certain way of the way up. In fact, we did quite well, to be honest with you. We came all the way back from beneath 2 cents, so we're about 19, 18.5, all the way up to our highest point was 2.7%, which is brilliant. Now people are taking profits. What we see is people taking profits. These consolidation patterns aren't sharp and fast sell-offs. They're generally people sort of taking profits here and there. What we do see is some nice sharp buybacks here, and more here. So even though the volume is down and the movement is bearish, and we've unfortunately broken beneath the 200 EMA as well as the other main moving averages, it would suggest that this is just a consolidation, a pullback, but nothing too much to worry about. When we see the buybacks taking place, it would suggest that people are looking to hold on to more, buyback more for the long term, ready for the next big push up. So this might not look like much when you zoom out of it, but that is a considerable move up. That is very tasty, really, if you were to have bought back in there. So what we're seeing now is people taking their profits and getting ready for the next leg up. Now, when's that going to be? Difficult to say. A lot of the coins are doing well today, some not so well as others. Bitcoin's making a few moves, but nothing special, and Matic's trading in the opposite direction of most of those. I wouldn't worry too much. It's a consolidation, it's more accumulation, and from these nice pointy green candles, what we're looking at is people looking to fill their bags ready for the next journey up. So probably see this trending down unless something special happens, but we're going to get to a point now where people are going to take more interest in it, buy it back for the next journey up. Once we make that big leg up, we're going to get above this 200 EMA again, and it looks as though when we get above that we stay above it at least for a few days, making bigger moves. The good thing is the EMA is moving up with us. We're making a little curve down now. It's only a matter of time, short space of time before we break it. When we break that, we'll start to make higher moves, make higher highs than these two. Probably be making our way back up to the 2.8 cent relatively easily. I think when we get there, because that's a pretty strong resistance, we'll be moving our way up to 3 cent, and I'm pretty sure that when we get to 3 cent, we'll start to see a lot more interest, probably pushing it up above the main resistance, at this point being the 3.2 cent and the 3.4 cent. If we can break through there and use those as supports, then things are looking very good for a recovery. So we're kind of halfway there really from its recovery. We're making tracks now. So this little consolidation, nothing great deal to worry about. Be very surprised if we make our way back down to 2 cent from here. I'll be very surprised, unless Bitcoin and the rest of the market drags us down. So yeah, like I say, don't worry. Consolidation is normal. Pullbacks are normal, especially when we had such gains from the 2 cent mark. And it's just a matter of waiting for the interest to accumulate and push the price back up and make our way to the 2.8 and the 3 cent and beyond. Anyway, stay tuned for more, keep your updates on. I'll try and make these daily, and have a nice day.